Once upon a time, Larissa was a determined and vital woman. She always had beautiful black hair that was her trademark. However, one day, Larissa began to notice that her hair was becoming thinner and more fragile, and hair loss became a constant concern in her life. Determined to find a solution to her problem, Larissa embarked on a journey in search of an innovative product that could help combat hair loss. It was then that she discovered Folicrex, a revolutionary treatment that promised to strengthen hair and stimulate hair growth. Full of hope, Larissa decided to try Folicrex. She followed the instructions carefully, applying the product to her scalp every day. Over time, Larissa began to notice a surprising transformation. Her hair was more resistant with less loss, and to her happiness, new strands began to appear. Larissa's confidence was restored as her hair gained volume and shine. She felt radiant and proud of her hair again. Larissa shared her experience with her friends, including Kharina, who was also struggling with hair loss. Impressed with Larissa's results, Kharina decided to try Folicrex for herself. Like Larissa, she also noticed a significant improvement in her hair. The two friends became true Folicrex enthusiasts, sharing their story with others who were looking for a solution to their hair loss. Folicrex soon became a real success, with women like Larissa and Kharina testifying to its impressive results. Thousands of people have found hope and renewed their self-esteem by using Folicrex. The innovative product has become synonymous with strong, healthy, and full of life hair. And so, thanks to Folicrex, Larissa, Kharina, and many other people were able to regain the beauty and confidence in their hair. The revolutionary product left a lasting legacy, becoming the secret to stunning hair and a source of inspiration for everyone who wants lush, healthy strands.